7. Best drinks to heal your gut naturally. Your gut health is the foundation of your overall wellness. A balanced gut means better digestion, stronger immunity, improved mood, and even clearer skin. While food is essential for healing your gut, the drinks you choose every day also play a huge role. In this video, we'll share the 7 best drinks to heal your gut naturally, restore balance, and keep your digestive system thriving. Why drinks matter for gut health. Liquids move quickly through the digestive system, directly influencing gut bacteria. Some drinks nourish the microbiome, while others harm it. The right choices reduce inflammation, aid digestion, and repair the gut lining. The drinks you sip daily can either destroy your gut or help it heal. Drink number 1. Kefir, a fermented milk drink packed with probiotics. Contains more probiotic strains than yogurt, up to 60 types. Boosts digestion, reduces bloating, and helps balance gut bacteria. Non-dairy kefir options available: coconut or water kefir. Drink number 2. Kombucha, a fermented tea rich in probiotics, antioxidants, and organic acids. Supports digestion, detoxification, and microbiome diversity. Naturally fizzy, making it a healthy soda alternative. Choose low-sugar brands to avoid gut irritation. Drink number 3. Bone broth, made by simmering chicken or beef bones for hours. Contains collagen, gelatin, and amino acids like glutamine. Helps heal the gut lining and reduce leaky gut. Also supports joints and skin health. Drink number 4. Ginger tea. Ginger soothes the stomach and reduces inflammation. Supports bile production and digestive enzyme activity. Relieves nausea, bloating, and indigestion. Antimicrobial properties fight bad bacteria. Drink number 5. Green tea, rich in polyphenols that act as prebiotics. Encourages growth of beneficial bacteria. Reduces inflammation and supports metabolism. Also boosts brain function and fat burning. Drink number 6. Lemon water, alkalizes the body and stimulates digestion. Hydration improves bowel regularity and nutrient absorption. Vitamin C supports immunity and reduces inflammation. Pro tip: drink warm lemon water in the morning to kickstart digestion. Drink number 7. Peppermint tea, relaxes digestive muscles, easing gas and bloating. Soothes IBS, irritable bowel syndrome symptoms. Naturally caffeine-free and refreshing. Bonus: improves mood and focus through calming effects. These 7 drinks, kefir, kombucha, bone broth, ginger tea, green tea, lemon water, and peppermint tea, are powerful tools to heal your gut naturally. Add them to your routine, and your gut will thank you with better digestion, higher energy, and stronger immunity. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to Health and Wellness for more gut health tips, natural remedies, and ways to live healthier. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video.